This year, I got the EcoFlow River 2 from Modem here in Ireland. To power it temporarily, I added 450-watt flexible solar panels that I bought from AliExpress. Output on cloudy days was about 10% when overcast but bright. They worked all the way up to November. The very last week they stopped produced. And Jesus, I was happy with 4 non-bifacial basic solar panels. The most that the EcoFlow can take in is 100 watts. They recommend to overpanel the system and it can throttle down the watts to a safe level. This is the specs of the system. In cold weather the voltage can get high. That is a risk. The angle that they were set at prevented this. The system was successful enough but Jenny has to run it during the months up to February here in Ireland. I got some nice nature shots from the CCTV that the modem was broadcasting. These dongle modems are not up to the job. You need a proper plug-in modem. I got a 5V to 9V adapter cable from Temu that got it to work.